All right, so I don't want this video to be too long, but most people don't know that you can use ChatGPT for photo editing, right? In fact, you can even use it to learn video editing. You can use ChatGPT to learn video editing. Some time ago, somebody came to my comment section on YouTube and was like, "Hey, I like your thumbnail, my thumbnail, my video, my YouTube thumbnails, and how do I create it and everything." So that's why I decided to make this video, because most of my thumbnails, most of you don't know that most of my thumbnails are being generated by ChatGPT and Gemini AI, right? Most of them, I don't even edit them from beginning to, I just generate them from ChatGPT. Something like this. This particular thumbnail was generated from ChatGPT and Gemini AI. And if you want to learn how to do this, how to create this type of thumbnail, so I'll drop a little tips, and in my next video, I'll make a full tutorial video step by step on how you can be able to do it. Because, like I said, I don't want this video to be very long, so I want to cut it short so you can be able to understand it, right? So first thing first, let's say you want to generate your YouTube thumbnail from this, right? From ChatGPT. All I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT. Maybe I want my hand to be like this or like this, right? I just have to put it, add it in my prompt. Mind you, details matters the most when writing your prompt, right? So maybe I'll ask ChatGPT that I want a prompt, a YouTube thumbnail prompt, where someone says this like this, and maybe I'm wearing this, but I want this to be black. This my clothes. ChatGPT can change it to black. Maybe this office, I want it to be in a white background, right? ChatGPT can do that. So I just have to give it. It's just a prompt. I have to give it a little, guideline, and it will generate the full prompt for me. Now, when it generates the full prompt for me, if I want, I can still add my picture in ChatGPT like this. I can still add my picture in ChatGPT and add the same prompt ChatGPT gave me as a command. Also add it there, then send it to ChatGPT. Now it will generate similar photo from the prompt, right? If I'm sounding like this, it will not generate my prompt to be like this, right? My picture to be like this with all the details I put on it. Now, the second way you can still do this is you can go to Gemini.ai and still do the same. But me, I usually go to ChatGPT, generate my prompt, then go to Gemini AI and generate the image using the prompt I generated from ChatGPT. I'll copy it, go to Gemini AI and generate the image, right? Then once I generate the image, to me in particular, I don't like it when what do they call it? When AI add text to my thumbnail. I don't like it, right? To me, that's my own particular choice. So I usually create only the image, right? Then I'll go to like CapCut or Canva, add the text I want to add on it, right? Maybe blur the background more, or make my face more brighter, or depends. Any more editing I want to add on it, I can still add, or I'll leave it like that. So these are the two tips I just want to drop. So in my next video, I'll show step by step on how you can be able to do that, right? Peace and love. Don't play.